go. Good job, Max. You got it. Go, Max.
There you
Yay.
go. Nice.
Go, Max.
Good job. Wow, that's amazing, bro.
Got this.
That's amazing. There you go. Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to
I am
Alex and Max. Tell viewers morning. Morning, viewers.
I get therapy today.
You got therapy today?
Yeah.
So yes, guys, he has therapy today. So I'm getting him ready now. Yeah, we're gonna be hitting the road soon. So we'll put on his coat and get ready. You ready, Papa? You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Yo, yo, yeah.
What's your name?
The place,
Yeah.
the plane.
Oh, you know, yeah.
Yeah.
Dad.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there you go. Yes, you ready?
Yeah. Why you?
I'm a hoodie too.
Yeah.
Come, put on your little bead.
That.
There you go. You ready?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
You like how you look? You ready? You ready? You sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
Where's my lobby, Mimi?
You want to take a tablet with you?
Yeah.
Here is your tablet.
Yeah.
On the way! Wow! You got it? Ready, Pops?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get out of here, man. Alright, guys, so I'm not gonna drive and vlog, so I'll see you when we reach a chop. Alright? See you there.
Oh my goodness, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can tell he's like maturing. He wants to be more independent,
Yes,
right?
yes.
All right, hold on. I gotta get you all hooked in here safe first. All right. That's all ready. One.
He was fearful. He was fearful of coming down the first time, but
He
after,
was.
but
No, he
after a
didn't.
while, he see how his sister come down. He just slides down by
So do you
himself.
have to help him, or he's been safe
He
doing
doing
it?
by himself. Yeah, he
That's
doing it by himself.
awesome.
You know,
Okay.
do it by himself.
All
Yeah.
right, Max. Let me just unlock all our brakes, okay?
No.
You have it gated though, so he doesn't do it at night, or he's
Yeah.
okay.
He's okay.
At nighttime,
Yeah,
he
yeah,
doesn't
he's
get
okay at night. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
No sneaking down at night and getting
No,
hurt, right?
no.
All right, mister. Let's see, do I have this up high enough? How's that, Max? Better?
No.
Yeah. All right, can we show Dad? You want Dad to go in the front so you can walk to him?
You wanna follow me, Pops?
Yeah.
Okay, come
Yeah. Follow Dad. All right, let Dad go in the front.
Yeah.
Okay, remove this one. And then the other one.
I
This one?
got it.
Good stat, Max. Keep going. This one?
Yeah.
Help me. All right, your turn. Can you bring your arms up here?
No.
Should Dad hide around the corner so you can find him? We'll do
on. Bye,
peekaboo.
Pops. Bye. I'm gonna leave you.
Do peekaboo right around the corner? Let's
See you
find him.
later.
I know.
Let's go get him.
You have to find me.
Yay, Max. Go ahead, go get him. Try again. There you go. Right. Good job, Max. You got it. Go, Max.
There you
Yay.
go. Nice.
Go, Max.
Good job. Wow, that's amazing, bro.
Got this.
That's amazing. There you go.
Good
Wow.
work, Max. Go, go, go. Max, you're walking like a big kid. I love it. Right? Hi. You saying hi? Yeah, let's walk down there.
How are you doing? Good morning.
Good job, Max.
Wow.
Go,
Wow.
go. Yay, Max.
Sorry, my
No, you're fine. You're fine. We're gonna pause and dad, let's walk again. Good job. Go Max, go. Good work. Get him. Good job. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. Yes. You got it. Wow, look at you going today.
Compass.
Go ahead, can you go again? Get that foot going again. Good work.
Wow.
Yeah, Max. Good work. Yeah. What I did is because he's been doing so good,
Yeah.
I hid things around the room.
Yeah.
I was trying to get him to remember, sit up first. Good job, Max. Step forward. Good work. Yeah, elephant in. You do the turtle? Oh, you did two. Good job, chicken in. Turtle in. How about the bunny? Wow, Max. Good work. What should we do next? Throw him on turtle. Can you throw him? Good job. Froggy. Well, this Froggy feels funny. Feel him. See what he feels like. Can you get to him? Go back. Smart idea putting him down so you can use your hand. Much more of that too. Planning
Yes,
even
yes.
out. I love it.
Yes, yes, yes.
Do they feel funny? They're
Wow.
like rubbery, right?
Wow, look how he
Different than
sits
the
up
other
straight.
beanbags.
He just sits up straight, man.
Yep. Good job, Max. Good job. Whoops, he didn't go in. You want to get him in?
Wow.
Oh, you're getting one under there. I think we already did that one. You want to do him again? Yeah? Okay. How about a penguin? What's that? I missed what you said.
What did you say, Pops?
What's that? Can you say it again? The ball?
Yeah.
We're throwing beanbags. Oh, you don't like this beanbag? I'll throw them. You want to do the animals? That was a beanbag. Oh, you want to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we throw them in too. We do more animals? You just don't want the beanbag in the animal pile? There's a platypus. You got him? Uh-oh. Good catching yourself, though. He might have had himself. Up, up, up. I know we lost his feet, Max. We gotta get this feet back under you. Here, let's fix this foot. So that wouldn't help me. Help me fix this foot. Ready? Pick it up and down. Okay? All right, here's Bunny. He fell backwards. Good job, Max. Ribbit, ribbit. Uh-oh. You got him? This Froggy feels funny over here. He's different too, right? You like these beanbags? You're doing awesome with it. Moo, go. Just remember, sit up first. Good job, Max. Step forward. Good work. Yeah, elephant in. You do the turtle? Oh, you did two. Good job, chicken in. Turtle in. How about the bunny? Wow, Max. Good work. What should we do next? A monkey? Yeah, can we get a monkey? Ooh, you got it. Do you see the alligator over there? Can you do him? You're good at making baskets. Throw it. Oh, okay, that works. What next? How about a froggy? He's on your foot. You got him? Nice. Here's another froggy. Good work, Max. Here's a bunny.
Wow.
I figured out a couple weeks ago the 12 inches.
Okay.
The height of this right now is 12 inches.
Okay.
He can sit. He can grab things from the floor and get
Okay.
himself back into sitting. If I go any higher or lower, I feel like he can't.
Okay, okay.
Push, 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 push. Push.
Balance up.
Bring that foot back down. Yeah, oh, almost. Silly guy. You doing again? You reaching? Is he a bird? Tweet, tweet. Good Good try, Max. Yay! You are good at this game. Give me an easy one for a minute. Turtle, turtle. Oh, he's stuck. Knock him out with the turtle. Uh-oh. Good job, Max. Oh, you did it. He's a purple turtle. Can you throw him? Max. Good job. Whoops, he didn't go in. You want to get him in?
Wow.
Oh, you're getting one under there. I think we already did that one. You want to do him again? Yeah? Okay. How about a penguin? What's that? Uh-oh. Good catching yourself, though. He might have had himself. Up, up, up. I know we lost his feet, Max. We gotta get this back under you. Okay, let's fix this foot. No, that wouldn't help me. Help me fix this foot. Ready? Pick it up and down. Okay? All right, here's the bunny. You fell backwards. Good job, Max. Ribbit, ribbit. Uh-oh. Under your belly? Yeah, nice work, Max. Watch your head over here. Boom. Yeah, let's put that out of our way, okay? We'll go. First, let's see if we can get those legs under you. Okay. He's gonna bug you. You know what? Let's take your braces off for this part because I'm gonna stretch you anyway. Can we do that real quick?
No.
Let's take them off. I'm not gonna stretch. We're gonna take them off and we're gonna play. Okay? We'll stretch later. All right? So just take me a second to take them off. So I know you want to play with the dinosaur now. I like your new ones. These look like they fit good too.
Yes, yes, they do. Yeah.
Are they comfortable, Max? These new ones? They look like they fit well. No redness or anything that you can get with them?
No.
Awesome. All right, one more to take off, then I'll help you sit up, okay? Let me just get this one off. Hold on a sec. It's got the new Velcro.
Yeah, yeah.
New Velcro, right?
You good?
There we go, Max. What's that?
I was just asking if he's good.
They seem good. Should I check your feet, make sure there's no red marks real fast? What do you think? Steal your socks too, and then we'll play. Look at you sitting up by yourself. Okay, hold on. I'm going to help you scoot forward. I know you can't reach him yet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold on. I'm going to bring him to you. I promise. Let's push the button and see what he wants to eat. Push it.
Can you feed me the blueberry?
He wants blueberries. He doesn't want his apple yet. Can you find the blueberries? You have purple grapes. Where's the blueberries, Max? Do you see the blue one? You got it? Look at those blueberries. Can you push him in? Oh, he's so happy. Listen.
Can you feed me the yellow bananas?
Do we have yellow bananas over there? Oh no, are we missing the yellow bananas? Do you want me to check the fish trainer? See if we have them over there? Yeah?
Can you feed me the green peas?
Green peas we do not have. We are out of peas totally. Push it one more time. We'll feed in the other stuff and I can see if we have the bananas somewhere. Okay, listen.
Can you feed me the white mushroom?
I see a white mushroom. Can you get it? That white mushroom. Good job getting yourself back up, Max. Silly mushroom. Get in there.
Potato.
Is there a brown potato? Yeah, you had your hand on it. Can you see it?
No.
Brown potato. Push it in. Oh, you got it. I think I moved too quick to help him nowadays. You know, he can do so much.
Yes,
I just kind of
yes.
have to be here.
Yes, yes.
Push it again. Let's see what else he says.
You feed me the green peas.
Push it again. Make me push it twice a couple
Can
times.
you
Make sure
feed
you
me
push it
the
once.
red apple?
There's red apple. Push that red apple in there. Oh, Max, you did it all by yourself. Yay!
Can you feed me the white mushroom?
He's gonna say it. Push it again. Just only push it one at a time. We'll get quick grapes. We'll see.
Can you feed me the purple grape?
There it is. Silly grapes.
Hooray!
I can do your feet. You play with the dinosaur. Hi, go down. Bloop. Which side do you want them on? Over here or over here? Right here? No. Over there?
Hooray!
I'm going to stretch out your feet and then we'll put your shoes in there, okay? You did awesome today, Max.
Hooray!
You got it. You got it.
Most of the red spots are going away. The only spots I still see are here. See on the outer foot?
Yes, yes.
Both sides on the outside are just a little bit red. So
Okay.
just keep an eye on that.
Okay, okay.
If it doesn't go away, it would be something to ask the school to have the orchids take a
Oh,
look
yeah,
at when they're there.
yeah.
But I think it's going to go away because he's just going there, you know.
Heart.
Right? Are you gonna take the food out again, Max, or are you all done with the food for the dinosaur? Can you spin his thing? Can you spin it?
Hooray!
Spin this.
I'm a hungry dinosaur. Time to
You shouldn't be
eat.
hungry. You
Feed
fed
me
him, right?
healthy treat. Can you feed me the red apple?
Red apple, he will. You give him the red apple? Would you rather like Max, okay? Max, no mouth, please. No. All done. If it goes in your mouth, you're all done with it, okay? Okay, goodbye dinosaur, or are you gonna play?
Can you feed me
Play with him,
the
okay?
white
You put it in
mushroom?
your mouth and you're all done. Are you bouncy?
Ready?
Put it in your mouth.
You ready for school? So yes, guys, we finished therapy, and hold on, I need a shave, Papa. Don't you see Daddy need a shave, man? You couldn't tell Daddy that he need a shave, bro.
No.
What? You couldn't tell Daddy that he need a shave.
No.
You look like you need a shave too, man.
Already.
You need a shave too?
Yeah.
So yes, guys, so we finished his therapy, and now we are at his school, and all the buses are just rolling in, dropping off kids. And guys, if you like what you see, you know, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that post notification bell, okay, that you won't miss a video when we upload it. All right? You ready, Pops? You ready? You ready, Pops? You ready? 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 You ready for school? You ready for school? Eh? Yeah. You ready for school? Eh? You ready for school, bro? Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, look. See you later. No, I can't come down there. All right. You have a good one. You gonna have a good day at school today?
Yeah.
All right. I'll talk to you later. All right. Bye bye. So yes, guys, just drop him off at school, and he's good to go. So the bus will drop him home this evening. He had a good day in therapy today. It's something that you gotta be happy about. Yeah. He had a good one today, guys. Yeah. Not to say I'm not happy with how he performs every time, but whenever he has a good day, you have to be super grateful and give God thanks. yeah. So now I'm heading home to start my day and see how my day progress. So thanks again, guys. Really appreciate it. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification, and stay tuned. All right? See you on the next Alex and Max. Bye-bye.